Welcome to Defense Interests. In today's world, drones play a critical role in warfare, intelligence gathering, and strategic operations. But among the numerous UAVs on the battlefield, two giants stand out: the Predator and the Bayraktar TB2. Which one dominates in drone warfare? Let's find out. First up, the Predator. The name alone is enough to invoke a sense of stealth and lethality. Developed by General Atomics, the Predator was initially designed for reconnaissance, but quickly transformed into a lethal weapon system. The Predator became famous for its ability to conduct targeted strikes with deadly precision. Equipped with AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and powerful reconnaissance technology, the Predator has been a key player in U.S. military operations around the world. The Predator boasts a wingspan of 55 feet and can fly up to 400 nautical miles. It reaches altitudes of up to 25,000 feet and has an impressive endurance of over 24 hours in the air. Armed with two Hellfire missiles, the Predator has the ability to eliminate high-value targets from miles away while keeping operators safely distanced from combat zones. On the other side, we have the Bayraktar TB2, developed by Turkish company Baykar. The TB2 has revolutionized drone warfare in recent conflicts, providing an affordable and highly effective solution for mid-level surveillance and strike missions. Though smaller than the Predator, the Bayraktar TB2 is designed to be adaptable and efficient, with a wide range of capabilities for different operational needs. The Bayraktar TB2 has a wingspan of 39 feet, flies at a lower altitude of 18,000 feet, and has a range of up to 150 kilometers with an endurance of about 27 hours. Armed with MAML and MAMC guided munitions, the Bayraktar TB2 can effectively target armored vehicles and bunkers. Its lower cost and modular design make it highly accessible and effective in conflict zones where budgets and resources are limited. So, how do these two drones stack up against each other? In terms of range and altitude, the Predator leads, capable of covering larger distances and operating at higher altitudes. When it comes to endurance, the Bayraktar TB2 has a slight edge, able to stay in the air just a bit longer than the Predator. In firepower, the Predator's Hellfire missiles carry more destructive force. However, the Bayraktar TB2's munitions offer versatility at a lower cost. But the biggest difference? Cost. The Bayraktar TB2 is significantly cheaper to produce and maintain, making it an appealing choice for nations on a tighter budget. Finally, when it comes to versatility in conflict zones, the Bayraktar TB2's smaller size and adaptable weaponry make it more agile and efficient in crowded battlefields. Both the Predator and the Bayraktar TB2 have left a profound impact on modern warfare. The Predator, with its high altitude and lethal precision, has been invaluable in high-stakes missions against heavily defended targets. Meanwhile, the Bayraktar TB2 has empowered smaller forces to conduct powerful strikes at a fraction of the cost, shifting the balance in several regional conflicts. So, which one leads the way? It depends on the mission. If you need range, altitude, and raw power, the Predator is your best choice. But if cost, versatility, and agility are the priority, the Bayraktar TB2 holds the advantage. Each drone has revolutionized warfare in its own way and continues to shape the future of combat technology. Thanks for joining us on this journey into drone warfare. Which drone do you think is the ultimate UAV? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into military tech.